If you keep using brown sugar and baking soda to grow plants, whether they are tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, or cowpeas, once they are planted, they will grow luxuriantly and the yield will be so high that you can't even finish harvesting. After consulting my master many times, today I have finally found this formula for you and am sharing it with you for free. Once you learn this formula, no matter what you plant, you will achieve a high yield and the effect will be incredibly good. So what exactly is this formula? Please click the little red heart on the right and the follow button, like, and save this content so that you won't forget me in the future. First of all, mix 10 grams of brown sugar and 20 grams of baking soda with 4 gallons of water. Use this mixture to water the roots of the plants and apply it once every 7 to 15 days. You will find that your plants take root faster, bloom more, and have a higher yield. Follow me every day to get more tips, as well as experience and practices in agriculture and horticulture.